Welcome back to my channel. We're going to expose why your resume not shortlisted. So buckle up, grab a pen, and get ready to learn as we dissect these resume disasters. Let's make sure your resume gets you that interview, not the recycle bin. Hit that subscribe button. Number 1. The font abuser. Unprofessional and hard to read fonts like the one used in this bad resume example are guaranteed to turn any hiring manager off. Additionally, stylized fonts are difficult for application software to process, making it even more likely that your resume will get rejected. Bad resume fonts. Good resume fonts. Number 2. The graphic designer. Additionally, graphics can become a serious problem when applying to companies that use software to automatically scan through job applications, otherwise known as an applicant tracking system, ATS. Number 3. The bad speller. Bad spelling and grammar are one of the quickest ways to get your resume thrown away. If you submit a resume like the one above, employers will assume that you don't care enough about the job to proofread your work or even run it through a spell checker. If you can't be bothered to spell check your own resume, who would trust you to handle the responsibilities of a full-time job? To avoid this classic resume mistake, read through your resume once or twice, or even get another person to check it as well. Fourth one. The autobiographer. Hiring managers don't have much time to look at each page, so keep it simple resume. 5. No action verbs. Avoid using phrases like responsible for. Instead, use action verbs. So how do you know when you've hit the mark? Ultimately, you know you've written a good resume if it helps land you a job. However, there are certain qualities that the best resumes share in common. Good resume. Bad resume. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments below.